everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management. I'm here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and right now I want to go over what type of financial aid is available to you as a rental property owner during this coronavirus pandemic. Now there's a lot of misconception, a lot of misunderstanding, and the biggest one being is, do you qualify for the Payroll Protection Program? The commonly known misnomer is yes, you do. I qualify. I have a rent roll. I own properties. I must qualify. But the truth is, 99% of the time you don't, because you do not have employees on a payroll. And that's the whole point of the program, is to maintain your employees and your payroll for up to 2 months. However, if you pay yourself as a W-2 employee of your business, or you give yourself a 1099 at the end of the year, then yes, you do qualify, okay? For up to $100,000 cap per year, divided by 52 weeks, multiplied by 8 weeks. So depending on what you pay yourself for, determines how much you could qualify for, but most of us do not pay ourselves as a W-2 or a 1099. We just have an operating account that we take our monies from. So the chances are you do not qualify for this program. And be careful, okay? Be very careful in not applying if you don't qualify. It sounds silly, but you look at some gentlemen in Warwick, they were just indicted by the FBI for lying, okay? Lying about how many employees they had, how many businesses, who owned what business. So you think it's chaotic, it's hectic, nobody's checking these loans, but yes, they are. So you need to be very careful, okay? And it's not, oh, I didn't know. It doesn't matter. If you don't know, ignorance is not an excuse. So be careful. What you do qualify for is the EIDL. That's the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. Now this is meant to help you with your operating expenses, such as your mortgage, your utilities, your taxes. These are covered with the EIDL loan, okay? And it's a much more favorable situation. You get up to 30 years to pay back this amount with a very low interest rate, usually between 2 and 4%. That's what you want to apply for. That's what you qualify for as a sole proprietor. Okay, as a landlord, as a rental property owner that's not paying him or herself as a W-2 or 1099. So apply for that EIDL and see how it goes, okay? Once again, this is Greg from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.